Hi design cutters, my name's Joanna Fallon, I'm a graphic designer, and today we're going to make this newborn baby announcement card, and I'm going to show you how to use some of the elements from the Magical Scene Creator to make this cute design. For the sake of speed and efficiency, I've already got open the files that I'm going to be using for this demo here. We're going to be using the Sky Scene Creator as the main backdrop for our design. I've also opened up the Character Builder files, and this one is the little polar bear here. We've also opened up some of the extra files, which is the flags and bunting and the speech bubbles. And this is the little dude that we're going to be creating the card for. I quite like this photo because he's got a very cute little polar bear. We've got a very cute little polar bear, and hopefully the two will work together quite nicely in the design. As with all of Lisa's products, I think one of the best things about this is the way the elements are all structured and organised. It just makes it so easy to work with. What we're going to do is, as cute as he is, this elephant is going to be a little bit in our way, so we're going to hide him and keep this little bear, because I think we're going to keep polar bears as the main feature, the main animal of our card. So let's just move him over to the side a little bit here. Now, I don't like the position of this little cloud behind the balloon, so we're going to the layer that's labelled Clouds and Rain. So we can see that's in the layer called Fluffy Clouds, because that's the one that's visible. It's a case of selecting and finding which cloud is the culprit. So it's not. Okay, so we found the cloud we want. If we select that, we can very easily move it to, say, over there. Actually, let's balance it out a bit and put it over here. What I want to do now is bring this little polar bear into our main design. What we're going to do is use one of these speech bubbles as a little frame. It's a little bit of a workaround, but what we're going to do is select the background colour. On this layer, I'm going to draw a little shape like that. It just brings the item back to a point and group it to object there, and that gives us a fairly straightforward solution to getting the shape correct. We're now going to add a little bit of text, and we're going to do this using one of the flags. The nice thing about this pack is that it already includes a unique typeface called Sugar Cookie, which I've already downloaded. Show you one of the cool features that you can use with Scene Creators and how versatile it is that you can change the pattern within the balloon itself, so you just keep breaking down these layers, going further and further. What you can see here is that this is one of the pattern swatches, so if you want to change the pattern, go to the swatch kinds, show all pattern swatches. It helps limit our selection a little bit. You can see we've got all these other options that we can use, and I quite like this orange one just for the contrast with the blue. And it ties in with sort of the yellowy tones here that are used in the stars and the kind of the brown sticks here, so I think that gives it a more balanced look. Just to finish off, we've got all these options of some additional textures just to, make your design pop a little bit and tie it all together. So if we just turn these off and see what the options are, so we've got a vintage one. Okay, and I think we're done. I mean, I'll be honest, I'm not really a babies kind of person, but this was a little bit too cute to work with. I think, as with a lot of Lisa's stuff, it's just the way it's been structured and organised just makes it so easy to kind of play around and try things out, and it's a real joy to work with. And yeah, I just need to convince all my friends to have kids now, and I'll make a load of these cards. Lisa Glanz's Magical Scene Creator, now available on the Design Cuts Marketplace.